Hi friends, this is M. Sunil Kumar from third year IT department of Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. My friends Gautam, Deepak, Bhanuprasad and me together did this Android timetable app as a mini project under the guidance of Assistant Professor S.V. Appaji sir. We developed this app using Android Studio tool. So this is an Android Studio tool where we all of us did the necessary code required to run this app. So I already ran this app. If you want to see the execution of this app, just click on the emulator where we can see the execution part. Click on the icon college timetable. Here we can proceed with the execution. So as shown on the screen, here we have two buttons. One is admin button and another is faculty. So now first let me talk about admin. What the admin does. Admin can add the faculty. Admin can assign timetable to each and every faculty. Admin can also delete the faculty. So while admin registering the particular faculty, he enters his name and Gmail and he enters his mobile number. So he'll creates username and password, and when clicking on clicking on submit button, the username and password that admin set will be automatically sent to the mobile number of a particular faculty. So then faculty can easily using that username and password, he can log in to the faculty page and he can see his timetable details. So now let me show the procedure how it works. So we have to enter the username and password of admin. Enter the username, enter the password, click on login. On clicking on login button, it will take to a new page where we can add the faculty. I already added a faculty, Appaji sir. If you want to add the new faculty, click on add new faculty button. Then it will takes to a next page where you can add a new faculty. So as I already said, the admin will enter the username, Gmail, mobile number, and he will create username and password. This username and password will automatically send to the mobile number of Apache, not Apache sir, the faculty that we create here, and on clicking button, this automatically will be sent to the faculty. So now let me add a new faculty. I'm adding Sampath sir. Sampath at the rate of gmail.com. Enter mobile number. Enter username. Enter password. So click on submit. This will takes to admin homepage where we find the faculties. So here I already added Apache. Now I added Sampath. So this so if you want add a timetable to Sampath sir, click on the name of Sampath sir. Then it will show a pop-up menu where you have three options: add timetable, view timetable, and delete timetable. If you uh, want to add timetable, click on add timetable. So then it will takes to a page where we can add timetable to Sampath sir. So add the timetable, add the subject that Sampath sir will teach us. So I'm adding Java. Monday, on Monday he will teach us the subject. Time 9:30 p.m. not p.m. a.m. Section C, here third year, and click on add button. When you click this button, the timetable will be automatically added to the Sampath sir. So if you want to see the timetable, click on Java. It will show a pop-up menu with three options. If you want to update Java to another subject, you can also update by using update timetable. If you want to see the timetable, you can see. If you want to delete the subject and timetable, you can delete by using this option. So I want to update the timetable. So click on update timetable. So I'm going to update. If you want to update Java to C++ or something DLD, right here and enter the day. If you want to update day also, can update Thursday, time 2 p.m., section section C section for fourth year. Click on update button. It will automatically updated to DLD. So previously we added Java. Java is modified, that is updated to DLD. So when you click on the subject, this will show a pop-up menu with three options. So I already updated Java to DLD. Now just click on View Timetable app. It will show the timetable. That's it from the admin point of view. So mm, if you want to log in through the faculty page, let's see the procedure how we can log in through the faculty page. uh, so we have to go back. I updated all these activities because being I'm an admin, I entered all these details. So I want to log in through the faculty page, so I'm going back through the faculty page. I will use the Sampath Sir's username and password and login. I will show how it will works. So okay, okay. Now see. So here we have faculty page. So if you want to see the timetable, you can just click on faculty timetable faculty, and you can enter the username and password that you received to your mobile number. So being an admin, I know the username and password because I am adding the faculty. So I entered here username of the Sampath sir and password of the Sampath sir, and let we see how it works. Sampath, Sampath. Click on login. It will show the timetable. That's it. It is so DLD here. Click on DLD subject. It will show the timetable. This is very helpful for the faculty. If you want to know the timetable whenever he wants, wherever he can, he want to, wherever he want to see the timetable, he can see the timetable. This is very useful for the timetable faculty. Bye.